In this video, we're going to go through makeAbba, and they would like us to return a word or string in the format of A, B, B, then A. And we're going to go through this using two methods. So the first method will be return A plus B plus B plus A. And what if they would like us to repeat it, for example, like more than 5 or 10 times? Then we can comment this out, and we can create a string builder and name it result is equal to new string builder. So we're initializing an empty string to store the result. And then we're going to have result.append. So it starts with the word A. And then we are going to have a for loop here. So for int I is equal to 0. It starts from I is equal to 0 until I is less than 2. And then I++, since we would like it to repeat 2 times. And then within the for loop, we're going to have result.append and then the B string. So the B string is going to append to the result twice. And then we will like result.append the last A. And then finally, we have return result.toString. So it's in string format. And that would be the answer.